Did you know that the rainwater we usually let go to waste can actually be put good to use?
Hi everyone, I am Rachel May Balo and welcome to my simple and eco-friendly rainwater harvesting project. This is my improvised rainwater harvesting system made from simple and recycled materials.
Instead of letting rainwater flow away, we can collect it and save it for useful purposes. With this simple setup, rainwater can be collected and filtered from larger particles using the materials placed inside. It's affordable, easy to make, and environmental friendly. Imagine, using something as simple as recycled materials, we can help conserve water and reduce waste. The collected rainwater can be used for watering plants, cleaning, and other non-drinking purposes. So, why waste the rain when we can save it? Start small, collect rainwater, conserve water, and make a difference. Thanks for watching!